So a personal injury lawsuit is something that is filed in a courthouse, but it's only filed if we're unable to informally resolve the claim. And I would say a significant portion of claims that are brought, we're able to resolve by presenting informal information to an insurance company, documenting everything that has occurred, and using the weight of our practice to leverage a case through a settlement process. But there are always cases where we have a disagreement. The insurance company's not right 100% of the time in their evaluation. And so when that happens, the next step is to file formal paperwork in a courthouse. And we usually file that either in the courthouse in the county where the accident occurred, or in the county where the defendant was living at the time that we're going to bring the case against them. And what's interesting, I think, that a lot of people don't understand about lawsuits is that even though there's insurance that's involved, so the at-fault driver has insurance, in Colorado, we can't sue the at-fault driver's insurance company. Even though the at-fault driver's insurance company is the entity that's actually making the decisions behind the scene. So when you buy an auto insurance policy, you give the insurance company the right to make decisions on your behalf. Let's say you were at fault and you injured somebody. If your insurance company that you've paid a premium to isn't fair to that person, you get sued. And so what happens in Colorado is that even though there's an insurance company that we're informally trying to negotiate with, if those negotiations fail, we will file a lawsuit against the at-fault driver themselves. And so on the lawsuit paperwork, it actually says our client's name versus the at-fault driver, and the at-fault driver's insurance company is not there at all. And so we file that in a courthouse, and we're required to list out all of the various claims that we want to bring, and we have to then make allegations regarding what damages by category that we're going to attempt to recover. And then that gets filed in the courthouse, and then the court takes control of the system from that point. And from that point, we have to send that out, and we have to serve that personally on the at-fault driver. And then they turn it over to their insurance company, and their insurance company hires a lawyer who then steps in and defends the case. And so in the courtroom, or throughout the lawsuit, it looks like it's my client versus the at-fault driver, when really all of the strings are being pulled from the at-fault driver's perspective by the at-fault driver's insurance company.